Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a roll cage for an E92 M3. This is the roll cage right here. It's used, but my friend got a good deal on this and I'm going to be helping him install it. Powder coated red. We've got bolts over here that connect it, so it's a two-piece bolt-on system. This bolts through the floor, so we'll have to drill some holes. This one bolts to the back side of the back seats. We'll find where that goes. But overall, I'm excited to see how this looks in an E92 M3 coupe. So this right here, this triangle brace, we're gonna take this off and then the roll cage is gonna replace this brace and this is where it's gonna bolt onto. Looks like it's Torx bolts, maybe a T40 and a T50.
50.
Cool.
You can move to the rear.
Okay, we've got a blanket on covering the center console just to make sure there's no scratches. And this is the interior of the rear E92 M3 gutted out, ready for roll cage install.
Go right there.
Looks like it's slightly bent differently, yeah, but we'll see. But that's the that's what's fit.
Which? I'll hand it to you. Start with lining just like the bottom one up. Those are the bigger bolts.
Yeah, let me just make sure mine can get in.
Yeah.
Maybe lift yours up a little.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Let me move this a little bit more. Yeah. Fitment is very tight, so you might need a third person. Ellie to the rescue. She's putting the bolts in right now.
I'll try to move. I don't want to hurt your finger.
Sure it's like...
Hey, it's so deceiving because it looks like the plates with the plates, it doesn't fit right, but once you put it in, it actually fits perfect.
Yeah, I
Holy
guess
shit.
it needed to be like that to fit perfectly.
And this gives us enough wiggle so we can play with the front.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a little bit of wiggle room here.
Yeah, we're gonna
so we
need
didn't
that.
bolt everything down yet. That's good. Now it's time to drill the holes in the bottom, get the big one in. The big one's gonna be tight fit, so.
And I think you can only get it in one way.
Let's go in.
Let me get on that side. Yep.
I want to hit the side skirt. Okay,
Got it?
into the dash. Just a tiny bit. Very slowly. Get a little more clearance. Let's see. We're touching the windshield. And I can get this part.
Let me try to curve more.
Maybe more in you. Go towards you. There you go. I'm almost in. Okay. Now that once you're in here, we're gonna try and maybe put it into the floor.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Once we're on the floor,
Oh yeah, you have it under.
I got mine under. Now you gotta get yours under. There. We're in. Okay. Slid. Oh, it's right on there.
Nice.
Look, right there.
Wow.
We're in.
And then this will push back because it pushes the bars upward.
Yeah. Okay, so we
God.
need to line up and get the bolts on loosely, and then we're going to
Drill.
we're gonna make a little tape marker here, cut it across, and then drill. So let me go get the bolt.
Cool, dude.
This is so cool.
It'll be easy to cover that with a carpet.
Yeah, yeah.
Floor mat.
Yeah.
So cool.
Oh,
Got it.
woo!
There it is.
It's in.
Wow.
All right.
Push it in.
It's looking a little better.
Oh, dude.
A little closer.
Yeah, it's a lot more closer. I bet it's the carpet on your side now. So let's line them up now. Well, they should be. This is like how it's gonna go in anyway. So
Yeah. All right.
Now we're trying to line up the holes here to connect to the rear part.
And dude, look how much room we have now.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, this should go in now.
More height up top. This would be definitely easier on the E93. At the top down.
Because there's no room.
Drop it in, yeah.
Oh, dude, it's easy when you go like this. Oh, the bolt started though. Okay. Oh, we got it. There you go. Cool.
Popping this cover off, and that'll reveal a T50 bolt, which we're going to take out so that we have space to drill the new holes to the floor. So to get this rod out, you just turn it up and then pull out. Alright. So now we've got the car jacked up and we're trying to take off the side panels that cover underneath the car. They cover the fuel lines and some wires.
Light is at the end of the tunnel.
T30s and 10 millimeters.
Cool. See the hole?
Yeah, I see it right there.
Yeah, right there. So what we're gonna do is we'll use the brace, since we know that one of the holes, this should be the way that it goes actually right here.
All right, so we've got the bolt on here and the bolt's in the back right over there. There's a reinforcement plate underneath the car just to make sure nothing shifts. Tighten them down. Putting the plastic panel back on, and then we're gonna do the other side next. So he's tightening below, and I'm holding it up top here. Tightening the bolts.
Now we do the front.
Okay. About 6 hours in almost. We've got the bolts tightened up the top. Now we are just putting the panels back, and then we're gonna tighten the rest of the bolts over there. Getting it. Now we're tightening the rear bolts, T40 and a T50 below. One seat on, and these are the seat brackets. They just go here. Okay, 7 hours later, we finally got it done. This is what the roll cage looks like. Very aggressive. These are the Recaro seats right here. There's the roll cage in the back. Very tight fit. A lot of modifications needed, but looks awesome. Yeah, pretty much. Brand new, it shouldn't be as hard to install, but since this is used, it kind of bent the metal a little, so everything was really hard to line up the bolts to the bottom and to the top, but we made it work through persistence. I like your pedals, Dynan pedals.
Yeah,
looks cool, man. Yeah. Dope.
I would think that was like, my first mod was the Dynan Trans Tune, and then the second mod was the pedals.
The Trans Tune makes a big difference. The GTS.
Oh yeah, dude.
DCT.
I've had that since.
Not bad.
Very quiet.
Yeah, very quiet.
At 3 in the morning range.
That's definitely doable.
Yeah.
But he's on his way.
Bye guys. Thanks again. I'll see you very soon.
brakes. Sounds super squeaky. Definitely track brakes. What do you think, Ellie?
What?
What do you think of the roll cage?
It looks so cool. I love it.
Nice.
Yeah. I wish we could do it, but.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.